Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: 2 screens, activities or fragments, and a button in your source layout. Once done, open main activity. KT and import Android. Content. Intent, make sure your button has an ID like BTN next. Then obtain the button reference using find view by ID R. ID. BTN next or view binding. This gives you a handle to attach behavior. You do this now because wiring a UI element before wiring navigation avoids null references and keeps the flow predictable. Once you have the button reference, set an on-click listener on it so the app reacts to taps. Inside the listener, construct an intent, this at main activity, second activity, class. Java to declare where you want to go. You do this because intents carry both action and destination. Next, call start activity intent to perform the navigation. If you need to send data, use intent. Put extra key value before starting. That way, the receiving activity can extract values from its intent. To finish, confirm the target activity is declared in Android manifest. XML or properly set up in your navigation graph, otherwise the intent can fail. Then test the button flow on an emulator or device, confirming extras arrive via intent. Extras. If something goes wrong, check logcat for exceptions such as null pointer exception or activity not found exception. Make sure IDs match and imports are correct. If you used fragments, ensure you use Fragment Manager navigation methods or the navigation component for safer, lifecycle aware.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.